So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically convert text to speech from Google Sheets. So in this video, we are going to set up an automation between Google Sheets and an AI platform called Eden AI in such a way that whenever we are going to add a new row of text in Google Sheet, automatically using Eden AI, we are going to convert that text into speech. And then after that, we are going to update that same audio URL, the speech file URL back into the Google Sheet in the same row. If you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the Google Sheet which I have created, and in this Google Sheet, I'm adding the date and some text. Now I want that whenever I enter some text as a new row in this Google Sheet, automatically this particular text should be converted into speech, into audio, and I want to add the audio URL for the same text in the Google Sheet itself. Now what you can do, you can basically automate this process. So we will be using Eden AI, which is an AI tool using which you can convert text into speech. Now to automate this in such a way that when you enter the text in Google Sheet, automatically using Eden AI, the text should be converted into speech and the speech audio file, the URL of the audio file should be added in Google Sheet. To do this, we will be needing to connect our Google Sheet with Eden AI. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation platform using which we are going to connect our Google Sheet with Eden AI to create this kind of automation. So as you can see, we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. Now here, after coming to the dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow. For that, click on Create Workflow, give this workflow a name. Let's say I'm naming it as Eden AI, Google Sheet to Eden AI. Then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you are going to create this workflow and click on Create. So Pabbly Connect is the tool, it's the bridge using which we are going to connect our Google Sheet with AI tools like Eden AI. Now in this video, I'm just taking an example of Google Sheet. You can basically set up this automation for any application, for any platform of your choice. It can be a productivity tool, it can be a spreadsheet program, it can be a text messaging tools like Telegram or WhatsApp, anywhere. And we have a lot of videos related to AI automation live on our YouTube channel. So you can check out that as well. So now here you can see we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect, and in this workflow you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Google spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to add a new row of text in this Google spreadsheet, automatically the same text will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to create a bridge and we are going to send the same text received from Google Sheets to Eden AI. And using Eden AI, we are going to convert this text into speech. And after that, using the same Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to get a URL, the link of the speech file, of the audio file from Eden AI. We are going to update that same URL or the same audio file of the speech back into the Google Sheet in the same row. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window in Choose App, first we have to search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect this Google spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect and get the new or updated row data. Now to add this webhook URL in our Google Sheet, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy this webhook URL from here and then go to your Google Sheet. After coming to your Google Sheet, just go to Extension, Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. And as we click on Get Add-ons, we will reach to Google Workspace Marketplace. And here in Search app, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now here you will notice that Pabbly Connect Webhooks, this add-on is already installed in my Google Sheets. You just have to install this same add-on and after installing it, just refresh your Google Sheets once. This is a very important step. After refreshing our Google Sheet, once again go to Extensions and you will see Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on can be seen over here. Just hover on it and click on Initial Setup. Now when we click on initial setup, this box will appear in front of us, which is asking us three different things: selected sheet, webhook URL, and trigger column. Now here in selected sheet, we have to select the sheet from which we want to send the text to Eden AI or to Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see in this Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why by default it has selected sheet 1. Then after that, it is asking us webhook URL. Now as you can guess, in this field of webhook URL, we have to paste the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, it is asking us for the trigger column. Now you must be thinking, what is this trigger column? So trigger column is basically the last column of our Google Sheet in which we are entering some data. So here you can see in the background, for example, we have this Google Sheet where we have 3 columns of data. But column B, the second column, is the last column in which we will be entering some data. After that, in column C, using this automation, after converting this text into audio, we are going to add that audio URL in column C later. But manually, we are just entering the data till column B. So column B is the last column in which we are entering the data. So I will be selecting trigger column as column B. After selecting this, just click on send test. Now when we click on send test, here you can see we have received some response over here which says test data sent successfully. This means the data of the first row after the headers, means the data of row number 2 is sent to Pabbly Connect using this webhook URL. So let's check it. We will go to a Pabbly Connect workflow, and yes, here you can see in this trigger step of Google spreadsheet, you can see we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the data of row number 2, the data of this row is received inside Pabbly Connect. So here you can see we have our trigger column. Then after that, here you can see the text. The same text which we have entered in our Google Sheet, the same text is received inside Pabbly Connect as well. Then after that, we'll scroll down. Here you can see the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, and also the row number, that the data of which row we have received inside Pabbly Connect. So we have received the data of row number 2. So you can see the same row number inside Pabbly Connect workflow as well. Now here you just notice that we are going to use this row index, this row number later in this automation workflow once again, while updating the audio URL as well. Like while updating the audio URL after converting this text into speech in Google Sheet, we have to enter that in which row of a Google Sheet we want to update the audio URL. So we will be entering this row index at that step. And here you can see the date, that what date we have entered inside our Google spreadsheet. So in this way, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect and received the text from our Google spreadsheet in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, just click on the submit button in this initial setup window and it is showing us setup configured successfully. Then close this window, go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you can see this option of send on event. Just select this option of send on event, and by selecting this option, we are telling this Google Sheet, we are telling this add-on that whenever data in a new row is added in this Google Sheet, whenever a new text is added in this Google spreadsheet, automatically send that text, send that data to Pabbly Connect, and the automation workflow will trigger. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send the same text to Eden AI so that we can convert this text into speech. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, you search for Eden AI. Just select it. After selecting Eden AI in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Convert Text to Speech. After this, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Eden AI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Eden AI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get it, just go to your Eden AI account, and here on the dashboard, here on the right side, you can see the API key, the API token. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. Now when we click on Save, here you can see our Eden AI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the text, that what is the text to which we want to convert into speech. So we have entered our text in our Google spreadsheet and we have received the data of this row from Google Sheet in our Pabbly Connect trigger step. So from here, from trigger step responses, we have to map this response of text over here in this Eden AI action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of text, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Sheet of a new row. Out of all of these responses, select this response of text and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever text we are going to enter in our Google Sheet, automatically using this automation workflow, the same text will be sent to Eden AI to convert text into speech. After mapping the text, it is asking us providers. And here in this dropdown, you can see we have a list of different providers over here, like OpenAI, Microsoft, IBM, Google, Amazon, Levo AI, and 11 Labs. So out of all of this, which service, which provider you want to use to convert this text into speech? If you want, you can use OpenAI, 11 Labs, or any other platform. So right now, I'm just taking an example and I'm selecting OpenAI over here. Then it is asking us voice, that do we want a male voice or a female voice? Let's say from this dropdown, I'm going to select female. I want a female voice for my audio. Then it is asking us for the language. So from this dropdown, I'm going to select the language for my text. So using this automation, I'm just going to convert English text into audio. So that's why I've selected English by default. But if you want, if you are using the text in multiple languages and you want to convert it into audio in multiple languages, what you can do, you can just enter the language in your Google Sheet and turn this mapping button on in our workflow and map the response of the language code over here. Then after that, after selecting the language, it is asking us response as ticked. So let's read the help text over here, which says choose true or false here. When true, the response is an object with provider names as key. When false, the response is a list of objects. So here you can see we have to select true or false. So by default, we will be selecting false because we just want a list of objects. And then click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And in this response, you will get the audio resource URL, the URL of the audio file of the speech file for the same text which we have entered over here. So what we are going to do, we will just copy this link from here and then paste it in a new tab. Now as we paste this link here, you can see just now an audio file is downloaded in my system. Let's play this file.
Pabbly Connect provides 100 complimentary tasks every month. Simply access the link in the description to clone this automation workflow and begin utilizing it at no cost.
And yes, here you can see this is the audio for the same text which we have entered in our Google spreadsheet. We have the same text in audio which we have entered in Google Sheet. This means the step 2 of this automation is also working perfectly fine. We have given the text to Eden AI and using Eden AI, we have converted this text into speech. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to move to the final step where we want to upload this audio URL in our Google Sheet in the same row. Like in front of text, we want to update this audio URL. For that, what we are going to do, we will just scroll down and click on this add action step button over here. Then after that, here in choose app, search for Google Sheets once again. So after selecting Google Sheets in your action step, what we have to do in action event from the drop down, we have to select the action event as update cell value. Then after that, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Now as we click on sign in with Google, select your Google Sheets account, the same account which we have added in which we have created this Google spreadsheet. Then just click on continue, and as we click on continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, here it is asking us select spreadsheet. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the Google spreadsheets which I have created in my Google Sheets account. Out of all of this spreadsheet, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the audio URL is text to speech content. So the same sheet in which we were adding the text. So what we are going to do from this dropdown, we are going to select that sheet over here. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us to select the sheet. Now here in this Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet as sheet 1. That's why in this dropdown, you can see only one option as sheet 1. So we are going to select that. Then it is asking us range, that in which particular cell in this sheet we want to update the data. So we want to update the audio URL in column C, but every time we enter the text, the column will be the C. The column in which we want to update the link will be the same, but the row will be keep on changing. And we have received the row index of this text in our trigger step response. So here in the trigger response, you can see we have received the row index, that the text or the data from which row of Google Sheet we have received inside Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, the column is going to be the same. So we are going to enter the column name. The column name is column C, in which we want to update the audio URL. But the row number will be keep on changing. So from trigger step responses, from this drop down, we are going to map the response of row index over here. In this way, in whatever row we are going to enter the text, automatically using this automation, the audio URL of the speech file will be automatically uploaded in column C in the same row. After mapping the range, it is asking us value, that what is the value we want to add. So we want to add this speech URL, this audio URL which we have received using Eden AI. So we are going to map this response of audio URL in this field of value. And just click here. From the drop down from Eden AI responses, select the response of audio resource URL and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever audio URL Eden AI is going to give us for the speech file, the same link will be updated in our Google spreadsheet as well. And after mapping this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the value which we have mapped over here, basically the audio URL which we have received from Eden AI, the same audio URL is updated in this cell in the Google Sheet. So let's check it. We will go to a Google spreadsheet and yes, here you can see we have the same URL, the same link for the same audio file which was generated by Eden AI. This means we have successfully created this automation using which whenever we are going to add some text in our Google spreadsheet, automatically the text will be converted into speech using Eden AI, and after that we are going to update the URL of that audio file automatically in the same Google Sheet as well. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. Once again, I'm just going to enter the date and then let me enter some text over here. So I have already copied the text, I'll just paste it over here. The text is, for more videos on automation, subscribe to Pabbly. So just now I have added this text in my Google Sheet. Now after adding the text, we will see within few seconds, this text will be converted into speech, and here you can see automatically in the same row, the audio file URL is added. We will just open this audio file in a new tab, and here you can see the file is downloaded. Let's play this.
For more videos on automation, subscribe to Pabbly.
And yes, here you can see this is the audio, this is the speech for the same text which we have added in the Google Sheet. This means our automation workflow is working perfectly fine, and now you can convert your text into speech directly from the Google Sheet using this powerful automation. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. So by clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.